Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the third topic. In that I'm going to discuss a subtopic of square root of a third. So how to find the square root of a mixed third or a compound third. So let us see in this topic today, if a comma b and root a square minus b are positive rational numbers or positive rational numbers, and root b is a third, then so how can we find the square root? How can we find the square root of a plus or minus root b is equal to square root of a plus root a square minus b by 2 plus or minus root over a minus root a square minus b by 2. So this is a formula to find the square root of a mixed third or compound third. So now let's see the proof. How can we get this formula and procedure to solve if you're not remembering the formula? So how can we find out the square root of a given third? So let me see the procedure. So first let root over a plus root b. If you have to find the square root of a plus root b, assume it as some root x plus root y. So assume it as some root x plus root y. If the third is like a minus root b form, assume root x minus root y. So if it is plus, you can assume like root x plus root y. If it is a minus root b, you have to assume like root x minus root y. So let's discuss the process for root x plus root y. So it will be similar for root x minus root y, just we have to replace with the minus. So what I will do is first I will squaring on both sides. I will do for this one. By that, the square root on the left side will be cancelled. So root over a plus root b whole square is equal to root x plus root y whole square. So here square and square root gets cancelled. Left hand side we will get a plus root b, and right hand side this, here I will apply a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So according to that, so we can write here root x whole square plus root y whole square plus 2 into root x into root y. So next what we will get here, so this one is a plus root b is equal to square and square root cancel, square and square root cancel here. So x plus y plus 2 root xy. So here we can apply nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. So this we saw in first part of the thirds. So now by comparing both sides rational and third terms, so we will get x plus y is equal to a. So let it be 1, and we will get 2 root xy is equal to root b. Just square this one on both sides, you will get 4xy is equal to b. Let it be equation 2. So now to get the x minus 1, we have one formula in algebraic expressions. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square will be 4ab. So from here, if I want a minus b, so a minus b will be under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So we have to remember this formula. So it will be useful in many places. So according to this formula, I can write x minus y is equal to root over x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So that means here x plus y is a, so a square minus b, we will get the x minus y value. So let it be 3, let it be equation 3. So now what I will do is I'll add the 1 and 3. Equation 1 and 3 I'll add here. So by that what I will get is x plus y is equal to a, and x minus y is equal to, here we have root a square minus b. So we have to add these two. Plus y minus y will be cancelled. 2x is equal to a plus root over a square minus b we will get. So from here, what is the x value? A plus root over a square minus b by 2. So similarly, what I will do is I'll subtract the equation 1 and equation 3. That means x plus y is equal to a, x minus y is equal to root over a square minus b. So I'll subtract these two. I'll get here minus, plus and minus. So these two gets cancelled. 2y is equal to a minus root a square minus b. So here y will be a minus root a square minus b by 2. So what we assumed in the starting from our question, so we assumed that root over a plus root b is equal to root x plus root y. So let's substitute the root x root y value here. So you'll get root a plus root b is equal to root over a plus root b is equal to root over x value is a plus root a square minus b by 2 plus root over a minus root a square minus b is the y value here. This y value is substituted. So when you have the plus here, when you have the minus, so here you will get the minus. So this is the formula to find the square root of a third. Direct formula, this is shortcut. So in processor wise, if you want to solve, so you can solve like this, how I explained how to find the square root of the third. So hope this is clear. So let's solve the example based on this. So let's see one problem here. So the problem is example is find the square root of 16 plus 2 root 55. So listen carefully. So what I am doing here, so this square root I have to find, square root of 16 plus 2 root 55. So just now we have formula here that for root over a plus root b means there is no coefficient here for the root b term. So for that, what I will do is here root over 16 plus this 2 I will send inside the square root. Then it will become 2 square, that is 4 into 55. That will become 16 plus root over 4 5 is 20. So 2 4 5 is 20. So 220 it will become. So now this exactly we got into this form. So for this, what is the shortcut formula? A plus root over a square minus b by 2 plus square root of a minus root over a square minus b by 2. So here when you will compare this with this one, our a value will be 16, b value will be 220. So let's substitute in this. So what we will get, root over 16 plus square root of 220, we can write like root over 16, a value is 16 plus root over a square means 256 minus b is 220 divided by 2 plus root over 16 minus root over 256 minus 220 divided by 2. So this is equal to 16 plus root over 256 minus 220 means 36 divided by 2 plus root over 16 minus root 36 by 2. So let's calculate this. So what we will get is root over 16 plus square root of 36 is 6 by 2 plus root over 16 minus 6 by 2. So this is equal to root over 22 by 2 plus root over 10 by 2. So that is nothing but root 11 plus root 5. Therefore, square root of 16 plus root 220, which is nothing but square root of 16 plus 2 root 55 is equal to root 11 plus root 5. So this is the way how can we solve the square root of a number. So next, one more sum we will discuss. So here another question is, find the square root of 11 root 7 plus 28. So here they are given options like 4th root 7 into root 7 plus 2. Option B is 4th root 7 into root 6 plus root 5. Option C is 4th root 7 into root 8 plus root 3. Option D is 4th root 7 into root 8 minus root 3. So if you'll solve this one, See, if you'll observe the options here, so in every option, fourth root 7 is common. So by that we can understand that we have to take the root 7 common out from this. So what they are given is 11 root 7 plus 28. From here, if I'll take the square root is common, it will become fourth root 7. So into root over 11 plus 4 root 7 it will become. So y means 28 can be written as 4 into 7. That can be written as 4 into root 7 into root 7. So I took the 1 root 7 common here. That's why remaining will be 4 root 7. Now let's find out by using the formula square root of 11 plus 4 root 7. So 4th root 7 into, so here first I will simplify into a plus root b form. So 11 plus root over 16 into 7. So what you will get this one, 4th root 7 into root over 11 plus root over, so 112. So now here my a value is 11, b value is 112. So I will apply the formula here. So hope you remember the formula. So here formula I'm writing again. Root over a plus root b is equal to square root of a plus root b is equal to square root of a plus root a square minus b by 2 plus square root of a minus root over a square minus b by 2. So let's apply this formula here. So if you'll apply this, what we'll get here, 4th root 7 into root over 11 plus root over 121 minus 112 by 2 plus root over 11 plus root over, sorry, here it is minus 121 minus 112 by 2. So this is equal to what we can write, 4th root 7 into root over 11 plus root 9 by 2 plus root over 11 minus root 9 by 2. So this is equal to 4th root 7 into root over 11 plus 3 by 2 plus root over 11 minus 3 by 2. So this can be written as 4th root 7 into root over 14 by 2 plus root over 8 by 2. So this can be written as 4th root 7 into root 7 plus root 4 in the sense 2. So therefore square root of 11 root 7 plus 28, answer is 4th root 7 into root 7 plus 2. So if you look at the options, so option 1 is correct option for this question. So hope everyone is clear with this topic. So thank you all. So with the next topic means how to find the cube root of a surd and some more examples and its applications. So we'll see in the surds part 3. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos about the IIT mathematics chapter. Thank you all.